A bush life, you know. So.
Yes, that's what we realize.
A bush life, this is bush life. Me I go con goat back here now.
Welcome back to the channel Reggae Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you as usual for your continued support. Now guys, guess what? We have reached or crossed rather 10,000 subscribers and none of that would have been possible without you. So continue to support the channel and thank you so much. Big up. Now today we are in the parish of Trelawny in Headen and we are going to be talking to Cornelius Hewitt, aka Rusty or Mesquite. Now we're going to be following to the bush today. We're pretty much just going to be hanging with him. He knows some herbs and their uses, so we're going to be talking to him about that. So stick and stay with us and please remember to like, share and subscribe and to hit the post notification bell. So once we upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's go talk to Mesquite. So what are some of the things you cook when you come a bush? Like when you cook soup today, when you cook other days?
I cook sometimes me cook rice and chicken dougal and you know.
Okay.
And sometimes me get some Irish potato if me have it and
Okay.
top some macayam me go look now.
Oh.
It's alright. Me can check out the system. The system is like this then now. Alright, you do that there. And if you draw you up more, but you go on. At your time. At your time, man. At your time, yeah? At your time. At your time, man. Yeah, you go pop out this back side, you know. Really already.
Oh.
I dig if you dig out now, but we dig again. Dig if you dig out, you know. Dig if you dig out.
Yeah.
Ah, God. Man, I want this, I see. And me say, my mind tell me, you know, with the cow business, you know, my mind tell me, you know, and I say, boy.
So the rope did too long?
My mind tell me, but I say, I can't go on. Having time.
So you get to
no
two
kill
till I am.
tomorrow. See, they no kill tomorrow. I want Makaya, I know how we eat this. I don't know what really wrong, but if I want thing in me, every year you know, say first, yam, where me have give me gateway. Now what? The whole of you, so.
Oh, okay. So when you're ready, you give it away.
The whole of you, so give me gateway. Some people will come and me come dig yam right? And my granddaughter, I my first somebody get yam out of this and one of my grandson.
Okay.
And when I dig food, I give them, and I watch no face.
Yes.
So you go.
Yeah.
A life journey. You see what I mean?
Yes, ask it.
A life journey.
Wow.
Life
What type of dirt this musket?
This
What
what
type
dirt?
of soil?
Eh? Brown mold.
Brown mold. Oh, this is the first time I'm seeing this type.
I may go find it sitting, man. So one, but he might have me right one still, but you have to go and use him. Yes. Yeah, I see.
What happened now?
You know, land. I land you feel land, man. You ever hear this spice says play land?
Oh, okay.
And you know what land? You feel land, man. again. But I'm a papa.
Oh, wow. Now I see why I had to be digging like that. What type of yam you said this one is again?
Makayam.
Makayam. And it's white. Oh, pretty too.
Pan, I'm blessed and keep us.
So Masquite, for this type of yam is just one piece would grow in the hill?
Sometime.
Oh, okay.
Sometime we will bear 2.
Okay.
And next time we bear 1. This one, I know yellow yam. This one.
Yes, I know. That's right. Because I know the yellow yam will grow like multiple pieces in the hill. But this is different. You say it's either 1 or 2 pieces.
Now you have yam pin now we bear wholly round and round, bunny. And Chinese yam.
Okay.
You know Chinese yam?
No, it's in fact it's the first I'm hearing about it.
You know Chinese yam? Done.
When I don't know yam yet.
Yeah. You don't know blue vine?
No.
Okay.
You have any of those here?
You know how it around here, we have it out of yard.
Okay, okay.
Aye. You know sweet yam though?
Yes.
You don't know white yam?
Me think so this is a white yam Masquite.
No, so you have a different one. You know white yam, sir? Yes. But me have to contact with no.
Wow. So they're ready now. Oh wow.
Me have to contact it out now. Me have to contact them out. Can't make them see how much time. Next month, you know.
So Masquite, you have a good market for this type of yam, the makayam? Just like how they buy the yellow yam?
Yeah, we sell it locally.
You sell it locally?
I mean, no farm. If we name, they go and buy on this area.
Or the persons who go around and buy the yam?
Yeah, that the brother don't try with them call Omar.
Okay, okay.
And that's go buy on this area. One for you and one for you, brother.
All right, thank you so much.
Let me go look piece and how to go.
Okay.
Go put my iPad.
All right.
I soon come. Me do my business.
Oh, that's another one Masquite. Okay.
All them bush are good for cold.
Yeah?
Fever. This one name God the Father and God the Son.
God the Father God and God the Son.
Yeah, otherwise they call it poor man eye.
Oh, and it good for cold.
Yeah.
So you just you make it dry or you just?
You can't make it dry. Father say when it dry.
It's better.
Yes.
Okay, you just make it like tea after that. Okay. Your knife dull, mosquito?
Hmm?
Your knife dull? You look hard to peel, so.
Yeah, I'm tough.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm tough, man. But you're right now, you know.
Oh, so, okay. So it's always like that. You're always that tough and hard to peel. And this, of course, is the macayam.
This one them call it Macayam, or otherwise them call it Lucy.
Lucy.
The people them over all say that no Macayam them call it, no, call it Lucy.
Okay.
And we call it Macayam over here.
Mm-hmm.
Two more time when you mold up, you have macaphony, you string there.
Yes. Okay. It's really tough to chew, man. You have to really get into it. Wow.
It's ripe, you know.
Yeah.
If when I get early rain from when they plant, then that dig out already.
Oh.
But that's why I did hold them.
Yes.
So in the last part, you know, we are get a little rain come down now, so you find out, say, it's a yam. It's a yam from your plant, it start beer, you know.
Okay. How long it take to come in?
7 months.
7 months. Much shorter than the, so it come in quicker than the yellow yam.
Yeah. Yellow yam and 9 months it take.
Yes.
And left 2 months when you plant it.
Yes.
If you plant it October, it take 13 months.
This one or the yellow yam?
Yellow yam.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Oh, so when is a good time to plant the yellow yam then?
March, April, May,
Okay.
June, July, August.
Okay.
Last part of September.
And if you plant it in those times, then it come in 9 months. But if you plant it October, it's going to take 13 months.
13 months.
Okay.
It will ripe, you know, but at the same time, when you go there and look on a diggy,
Yes.
it's young.
Oh.
So in a spring all the while.
Okay, okay. Wow, I didn't know that. I'm learning something new.
If you plant it over Rose Valley, I'll 3 years before you drop bush.
Yeah? Where you call Rose Valley, Mosquito?
Over St. Elizabeth, that's all.
Okay, okay.
You know Rose Valley?
No, I know St. Elizabeth,
Yeah,
but I don't know Rose Valley.
Rose Valley is right there, man. We are them bad.
Oh, down where Oxford is?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So you go there now, you turn on your right hand.
I know where now. Okay. Oh, so you know wash yam Mosquito?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a plan.
Oh, you have a plan?
A plan.
Mm-hmm.
Anyhow you watch it,
Yes.
hands take it heel.
Oh, really? So if you wash the yam, and set the hill. Okay.
At the same time. The dirt not do you nothing.
Yes.
But you know what says it? In the earth where we live in here, you know. In more sicky people,
Yes.
I want them where this mama earth.
Yeah.
By dirt can't eat, you know.
Some people eat dirt
Not do them nothing.
or soil.
Not do them nothing.
Yeah.
Not do them nothing. Sometimes you eat some of my dirt. Keep you healthy.
Yeah. So when you say then this Mama Earth, what you mean though?
I mean like some people come in like one tree or a plant we scan the earth.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, people scan the earth, you know. If you are going to a house, you have to wear socks or what have you.
Okay.
And say no want no dirt
Yeah. You don't want no dirt touch them.
touching your house.
Oh, I see what you mean. So you have to take off the shoes outside and put on the slippers before going to the house.
Me know say you go step in a people house in your boot. You see what I mean?
Yes.
But like you have on your shoes now, and you take off it, and I go in. Lord God, some people they must sweep. As you turn out, then sweep house, sweep out you,
Yes. Yes.
sweep you out.
So they're always cleaning.
Well, no mind how clean we want to be.
Mm-hmm.
All of you entering right in where we don't want to go.
Where is that?
That in the earth.
Oh, wow.
So all when we are this mama earth, mama earth now look no friend for nobody.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
Just like food. Some people are say, just as food make me eat it.
Yes.
You see? And this food, you know. Who can live without food?
True.
All right.
Nobody.
No one. But a lizard have to eat. A bird have to eat.
Yes.
Right? So I remember saying, no. Right, you know, when me experience earth and looking at earth and run over things. The earth that come in like how you da see you plug in the fridge and after a while it frost up. Right? So I water, you know. I water come farm food, you know. I water come farm food.
Yes.
Right? But if scientists and know how to do them thing there,
Yes.
no food would need to plant like dirt.
True.
But then would have in grassy. That's it come. But I earth.
It have to come out of the earth. Yeah.
So the water fall. First time man in a fall. And man a top fall, but the man a still a fall. But it fall in a water now.
Manna? Okay. You know, get that part there, Bansky, about the manna.
But me say first time. Man a usual fall where people them a take up and go have this tour and to eat. Right? Alright. And the people then start quarrel say every day man so. Then tired of it. Then say them will work and mind themselves. And say right you know, how much people want to work mind themselves? How much people want to go to the farm or go work otherwise? Say not going to the farm. But you have a work you can do. Me not do it.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you know, me can rob where you have.
Yeah.
And kill you and go rob again and rob. So the people them now rob, fit up rob, them are rob forever rob.
Oh, wow.
You know see? So in this day you know, the people them within the earth, you know, they can't fool you no more again for the first thing you have your youth. You go buy tie gun game.
Yes.
What that for?
Me no
Where you
know.
go buy a tie gun for the youth for? You go practice him to tell him come and want the real gun.
Yes.
You know see? You see what me at that?
Yes, it's a possibility, yes.
Right? So when me a youth, you couldn't get no tie gun give me, you know? No tie at all.
Yeah.
And one thing when me a youth, you think you can give me.
I know what?
Food.
True.
Yeah.
Yes.
Food can give me. Me and your friend, you're going to take, where you tie can give me. Boom, boom, boom. Me no want that. Food me want to eat. For food are life.
Yes.
Tie, when me can do it, tie.
Only
So I the people then, pack up them pick their mind.
Yes.
It's a mindset, you know. Pack up them picking their mind. You by dolly give your daughter or your son, what have you, you not go give his son dolly.
No.
You will give him different play thing.
Yes.
Maybe one tie gun or one tie this.
Yes.
Right? So when you look, your daughter come get pregnant even before time. Who it cost you?
Because we start to give our toy babies from
the way you give them there for.
It makes sense, Masky. It does make
You know,
sense.
I people them, you know. I people them. When they say, some I think them will happen. To pick me outside at the home. It a come from in at the home.
Yes. So some things that we do or practice to do unconsciously
Yeah.
that contributes to how the children turn out sometimes.
Yes. For children, them learn,
Live what they learn.
live where they learn, you know.
Yes.
So they learn a thing. But you have enough youth now. Him mother, we are bad pan him if you go look for one goat.
Yes.
Right? Him go to road and he see a next youth out there. And him youth might say, Mike, why make you late for school? He say, boy, you know, say me have to go look for one goat.
Yes.
I want, you know, one hog or what have you, any little thing. We keep him busy, telling him ready.
Yes.
Why? Me not do them the same thing, you know. Me not do them the same thing. The boy will say, boy, you want me mother kill me, man. He will lick me, you know, man. Not about that, man.
Yes.
So you see one man, you know, you try to draw a card. Maybe you tell him, say, you know, it's a teacher. Say me if he come early at school. When he teacher, when his parents maybe go try a thing, if I know, say, no go so. Right? You get ready that the man in there, you know. So you see next man, when you come back with the same idiot thing, he say, then what?
Yes.
Go look for your goat, man. Then teacher say, he say, no go so, man. You tell lie. You tell lie.
Yes.
For teacher no tell you nothing. For me check teacher and teacher, what you tell me, teacher never said that.
It's a different story.
Different story. So how you go get out of that?
Can't get away.
For that, most of the parents them, and them broke the picnic them bad. From early.
Yes.
Right? So you can't fool the youth them, you know. For most of the things where they tell the youth them man there and Morgan pirate, all them man there. A pirate where you just go around on ship and go rob people. Right? And take where people have robbed ship and all them. Now you go fool the youth them and you don't show them things.
Yeah.
And one thing me want them to cut out completely out of the whole. You see this Black History Month? You then to cut you out.
Why?
Eh?
Why?
Say why then to cut you out?
Yeah,
All
more.
right. At the same time, if you've been training the people them over and over, when it happen in a them the days there, what you expect to happen?
When I expect.
You turn up all sore foot, you know.
Yes.
But it thing with them have. Make them write it in a book. That means who see it in a book, read about it.
Yes.
Though you don't have the no video show people. A good thing, you feel have film up. We are show people we can.
Oh, positive things.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you show them the thing they know, you build back a bad mind in a people and brain in their head.
Oh, so people get angry about things that happen from long time.
Yes.
But Master is supposed to want to you just want to educate people about what would have taken place in the past with our foreparents.
Yes, but at the same time, them not going with nothing either. But them not edify the people them in a no good way. But at the same time, the people them will come from Africa and come down here, right? How them not have the strive nation where people then come from, whether they come from the Canaanites, Hittites or what have you. How them not have that there in a context where they can show people them full roots where they coming from. But a young go show them now when white usually beat black man and that the slave.
Yeah.
So we don't know from Marcus Garvey say. You see, God now walk with people again, you know.
Don't make you say that now.
Don't make you say that. Well, I know me that do it. I see in Bible. Israel sigh, Israel cry, Israel don't know in God. So at the same time, every day they kill God and they say they don't do God nothing.
Yeah.
Then who them do something?
No.
Remember, every time me see job, me see a way. Poverty not real. For at the same time, when me see you see, me see God. Right? But listen this. If I don't love who me see or what the thing where me see, how could I love a thing where me not see?
Yes.
That is an impossible thing. Are you me feel love?
True.
And you love me, so that's why your love grow. So remember I say, you feel love your neighbor as yourself. So you feel love him more as yourself.
Yes.
So if we don't have no love to each and every one, right? Father say least you done to a little one, you done it to him.
Yeah.
So the father either try prove. Alright, see them a try to cut down the nation now. Cut down the nation, you know. And remember say, God say, He might make Abraham seed. So I make a covenant with Abraham. He said I make Abraham seed is like the sun I see sure. Alright, and them and Babylon now find a way to cut down it and decrease the nation.
Yes.
Right? Alright, look for the young we plant this now. Remember say he plant the head. And if the head not diminish, it can't bear back nothing. It's only one thing when no left in head. Insecure in head all the while. And that is Cain and Dashin. Insecure in head. So remember say when you cut off the Dashin head, that's why you plant it back, you give your back head. He has suck around him otherwise, but his head remain all the while.
Yes.
The Cain head a root and a root a head.
Yes.
Right? So a cane, you chop off the head, you plant it, it bring back cane. Right? I say how much a cane coming like pine.
Yes.
So cane no easy dead unless you make it dead.
Yeah.
It dash in at the same way. You make it dead. So when you plant back your head, remember you plant the head, you know, you bear again, big head. Sometimes you come down little, and next time you be a big left to each time when you plant it.
Yes.
All right. Yes, now. Come pan this, your father. You're soon ready for go away. Come pan this now.
Okay. This one is which one now, Masky?
Vervine.
What you use it for?
Wash out.
So, this one is for wash out.
Yeah.
Okay. And they have on the little purple petals. on it
Maroon
too.
pimento.
Okay.
Good for cold. Heal and draw.
Okay. So that's heal and draw.
Yes.
So
good
what is this used for now?
For pressure.
Oh, really? Heal and draw. Good for pressure.
Hit on this one here.
The vervine.
Vervine.
Oh, so you just dry them and boil it?
Yes.
So like how you boil it, Masky? Like a couple leaves or so?
Yeah.
So tell me something, Masky. You boil these things for people?
No.
Oh.
You
You
boil
just
it for
know
myself.
the bush them and know what they're good for. Okay.
This is a cool bush side way.
What is one name?
Poor man I or otherwise God the Father, God the Son.
Oh. Okay. This one is say the poor man I or God the Father, God the Son is good for cold?
Yes.
Okay.
And this one also.
This one is good for cold too?
Yes, Jackie Sagle.
Jackie Sagle.
Then call it cup and sauce.
Oh.
Pea cold bush. Pea cold bush. You remember what name?
What is this one again? Jackie
Jackie.
bush. Okay.
Jackie.
And this is for what again?
Same
Cold. Okay.
and trumpet leaf also.
For cold. There's a lot of cold bush you have up here, so do a mosquito. Okay.
You have this already.
Oh, okay, yes. Alright. And all of these, whenever you're using them, you dry them first?
Yes.
And then
You can combine them together if you want.
That's a
but
cold
this
bushes.
one, This one,
Which one?
them I wanna know. Them I know. This and this I know. No, if you combine together, it will boil to itself. It two of them will boil to themselves.
All right, so this one.
We boil with this.
Okay, so these two can boil together.
Yes.
Tell me the name of that one here again, Mosquito.
Heel and draw.
Oh, so the heel and draw and the vervain can boil together for cold.
Yes.
Okay. So which two you say not to supposed to mix now? Which two you say we're not supposed to mix?
I say, you know, if you mix them I one with them I one. Watch
Oh,
out.
the other ones that you gave me.
You take out this.
Okay, so this is a vervain. You
Them
put
they
it
can
with
boil
this.
to themselves.
Yes.
All of them you can boil to them with one another.
Okay. You can combine them for
Yes.
cold.
The one they can combine for.
Okay.
All of them they are cold bush.
Yes, and then you combine these.
Differently.
Yes. But Mosquito also boil roots.
Yes.
How long have you been boiling roots?
A long time, you know, man. Long time. But me no boiling more often, you know.
But me see you have a bottle right there, so.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you always keep a bottle of roots at your farm?
No, I know directly, but you ask me a come on here, me say me a bring one.
Oh,
So-
okay. So how you sell the roots, Mosquito? How much per bottle?
$1,000.
$1,000 per bottle. Okay, so if persons want it, then can call you and order it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Let me look
okay.
about it.
Okay. So Mosquito, what the roots good for? The roots.
Good to build up your nerves. And nature.
Okay. And what else? It clean you out too?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I've been it, you know.
Yes. Boy, Mosquito, that no hot.
How it a go? A bush life, you know. So.
Yes, that's what we realize.
A bush life, this is bush life. Me a go come goat back here now.
You can't take your bush life today.
We there now still. So we can't do nothing to it still more.
Yes.
We have to live it.
Yeah.
Have
So,
it.
Mosquito, thank you so much.
Yes, Maggie.
Thank you for accommodating us today.
Yes,
You are a very hard worker because viewers and subscribers, can I tell you that we walked about a mile to Mosquito's farm and a mile back, and I was dying by the time I was coming back. It's really treacherous, it's really hard. So it's hard work that you do. So we thank you again for accommodating us.
Yes, Maggie.
All right, I hope that everything work out for you.
Yes, Maggie.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
blessed love. Until next time, viewers and subscribers, we see you. Take care.
All right.